Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to enable apps from unknown sources on your Fire Stick. Go to Settings, then select Applications, and toggle on Unknown Sources. This is essential because Google Play Store apps aren't available on Fire Stick by default. Step 2. Next, download the APK file you want to install. You can find APK files from various websites, but make sure you're downloading from trusted sources to avoid malware. Save the APK file somewhere accessible on your device. Step 3. Connect your Fire Stick to your computer using a USB cable or set it up for wireless file transfer. If using USB, you might need Android file transfer software. For wireless, enable debugging in your Fire Stick settings first. Step 4. Transfer the APK file to your Fire Stick's internal storage. Create a folder called APK or apps to keep things organized. Once the file is on your device, you can safely disconnect from your computer. Step 5. Finally, open a file manager app on your Fire Stick, navigate to where you saved the APK file, and tap on it to install. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, and your new app will appear on your home screen.